Guys, welcome. Today I'm gonna to show you how I do my hair. Okay. Honestly, what I do here is in the toilet waiting for my kids is doing some business in the toilet. So while I'm waiting, we're gonna to do the hair tutorial. Okay. We are at the Opa house. Okay, we're gonna do like this first. And I'm gonna do this one first. Take small piece. Okay, then spread into 3. And then take small piece again, you add it, and then do again the same. Just do it again. It's just simple. So I'm gonna do this side. So I'm waiting here till my Andy is finished with his business toilet. So this it, finish. Just put it so. Okay, this one more. It's the same, small piece. Doing the same. We only add at the front. Finish, you can hear it, or he can do himself. Yeah. Okay, wow. Have you the toilet, the tissue? So it's still. So that is finished.
And take my blue.
Okay, finish first. Go water. Okay. Okay, guys, this is the result. So you can also do this one. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you next time, and don't forget to subscribe. And this is the result.